What is up, you guys? It's Lex. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. Back with another fun little video for you guys. I actually got Ronnie some Ray-Ban Metas for his birthday, and it's a Sunday today, and we had to head over to the shop, so we thought we'll film some short POV driving clips with the EVO. These are gonna be really big on my face. How do I press record again?
You either hold that for 1 second.
Hold?
Or you just say, hey, Meta, take it, baby.
Okay. Ooh, it made a noise. Hey, Meta, take a video. Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. While we're waiting for the car to warm up, on our agenda today, we have to adjust the seat because I can't reach the pedals 100%. Car has been having like this little like sputtering issue. It's not all the time, but sometimes it'll just like go like, this is the best way I can describe it. But we're gonna try to see if we can catch it. That's why Ronnie has the laptop out. He thinks it might be a fuel pump issue, but we'll see. And then we're gonna go buy some barbecue meat because Ronnie said he's gonna barbecue for me tonight. So we're gonna drive around the city. I will be doing a updated build breakdown on the EVO this week. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you guys are subscribed and keep an eye out for that video. So to shift with the dog box, you can't be, you gotta like slam it. Ronnie always says I'm being too gentle with it.
You can't. You're gonna round off the dog, so you gotta just slam it into gear.
Yeah. Let's get ready. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do a pull here. I'm scared. There's too many hobos. BMW. Doing that even though it's not good to do.
Okay, you went to 30% throttle, not 100.
I can't reach the 100% throttle.
So we're eating. I got to like 220-ish, and that's when the driver was supposed to notice the temp gauge.
I have you with me. Why would I notice the temp gauge? You had laptop in front of you.
Yeah, but it doesn't like scream out bloody murder like a multi would. So it's this guy. You see when I like move my, it's like leaking everywhere. I don't want to press too hard because if I do, then it'll. So this is all pressure, but there is very little coolant, if any, here.
Good thing the shop is in that parking lot over there.
Yeah.
We've made it to the shop. Back to the shop.
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday. Actually, we're here pretty much every Sunday unless we have like a family event or something. What are your, use your expertise.
Dude, this is like, we always have an adventure. Thank you. Thank you to the boys for not charging this.
I'm just gonna preface this by saying this car endures like back-to-back abuse from me.
Long story short, we were just doing a couple pulls and Lex has been complaining about the car kind of, you know, bogging a little bit. And I'm like, bogging. Obviously she didn't have a laptop with her to plug in and stuff. So I'm like, I'll check it out. I thought it was a fuel pump dying, like a primary fuel pump. Walbro 450s are known to do that. It just did it over here. And she's like, yeah, this is what it's doing. And I look at my computer, no fail-safes popping up, but I can see the RPM, maximum RPM, just constantly dropping as like time is going by. I'm like, huh, what the hell could that be? And obviously the coolant temps are rising. So I got to like 230-ish, which is not that big of a deal if you catch it in time. Doesn't seem like it's torched the gasket or anything like that, even though I'm very aggressive on this thing. And it sees like 38 pounds of boost and like 14, 15 degrees of timing on regular head studs. I don't think the head's the culprit. I think it's just like basically almost out of coolant because we drove it for like 20 minutes before we encountered the problem. So we did find the leak. The throttle body line's actually in the back. There's 2 coolant lines here. They go to the throttle body. This is mainly used for the winter, for when it's super cold, when you have antifreeze running through these. It's used so this IACV valve, the idle air control valve, does not stick, and the throttle body blade itself does not freeze, literally. So if you're in like Antarctica, you might need this, but Antarctica. We don't need it. We usually block it off on these cars anyway. So what we do is we use a HPS 4-ply little cap on the nipple that's on the back of the cylinder head and on the nipple that's on the water pipe, and then the throttle body just doesn't get any coolant flow, doesn't need it. That's what we're gonna do. Obviously we need to wait for it to cool down, whatever's left in here, steam.
I'm gonna sit in the seat right now and I'll have Ronnie record it so you guys can see like how it actually is driving. And it's really dangerous. Obviously I don't recommend doing this. Please don't do this. I'm not giving any advice, don't listen to me. I'm not an influencer or anything like that.
Look, what's happening is every single time she's actually on it and the car starts to pull some, you know, even half a G, she lifts off essentially, like she gets pushed back into the seat, so her tiny, you know, foot kind of lifts off the pedal. So it goes to like 40-50% throttle.
And I can't even harness myself in all the way because then I can't like raise myself off the seat to like clutch in all the way or be on the throttle all the way. So
yeah, you can't be wide open throttle.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's what we're gonna do next.
Imagine we're doing a hit it and I'm like,
let's get some pedal. She's lifted off the seat, guys. So she's buckled in. This is not gonna work.
So let me,
I can't believe you've been doing hits at 30% throttle.
You know, like I just feel like I haven't though. All right, so it's time to see what's in the radiator, which looks like a whole lot of nothing.
No coolant, as you guys can see, at the top. So kind of expected that.
I got ready today because he told me he's gonna cook, so I'm not touching the car.
So we're using this HPS cap. This is what we use on all of our builds. There we go. That's it.com.
All right, we should be good now. We're gonna go and buy some barbecue meat now because we're starving. It's dark outside, so I don't know how well these will pick up. It's our first time like playing with these. And I just realized that they don't record in landscape. So I'm gonna have to edit the footage to make it landscape instead of portrait. So hopefully it comes out okay. Can I do a hit or no?
I'm not logging, but you can,
yeah. Why is it?
Hitting a cut, I don't know, I wish
Yeah.
I was logging.
Straight or left?
Right.
Right as it's hitting a cut, you guys, this computer died. He's got the laptop now. Still doing it. So, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that's the transfer case. That has to come out again. LOL.
Yeah, 30.
No, I'm not. I'm not. 0.8 miles, alley. Okay, where's the alley? We've never tried this place, but
You're still recording?
Yeah.
Orange. Can we get 1 pound of the pork baby back? Try a little bit of every if you can. We came to buy food for 2 people. I lowered the boost to about 30 pounds and she's all good now. So at 35 it was blown out smart. Sideways in third and she's still staying in it for some.
He's like, stop,
guys,
stop,
it's so sketch, dude. Guys, it's so sketch.
I will not.
Ah, I hate being passenger.
I hate being passenger too. Jesus Christ. Uno más. Ready? Alright guys, I just got back home. Hopefully you guys enjoyed spending the Sunday with us. I tried to get as good of a footage as I possibly could, and it's my first time recording on the Ray-Ban Meta, so I don't know how that footage is gonna look. Next time I'll film it with my usual setup, as I did get a suction cup for the windshield. But that being said, I did my best. I don't have a lot of real estate. Also, Ronnie freaks me out sometimes when I'm driving. He'll like stick his hands out in front of me and be like, stop, stop, stop. But it's okay, I do the same thing to him. As far as the seat goes, I have been having a little bit of a hard time with it. I still don't feel 100% comfortable with my pedal placement. I feel a little bit too far back, so I think we are gonna have to modify the holes a little bit just to get it to sit better for my height, because I am really short. I feel like I say this in every video, but like it's not even funny. So it is what it is. I tried my best. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys next time.